turn the radio on.
You have me do it though. Show me.
Yep.
And I'll do it. Yes.
Go ahead and I want to see what you think you would do for turning the radio on.
Oh, I have no idea.
Press this button.
Okay. Okay, so radio, press button on dash. Is it on 101.3?
Go ahead, press one of these, either left or right, on one of those buttons.
All right.
To the debut.
One.
Yep, press it again. Radio screen to control it from the Toyota system. We're gonna press Toyota. We're gonna press music. Right now it's going through.
You're going too fast for me. What was that you pressed before?
Yep, let's go back again. Go ahead and press this menu button right there with your finger. Step 2 is press the Toyota button.
Do I press music?
Step 3, you're going to press FM radio. You can scroll through all the stations, or you can go through the different types of music.
I'm going to try this. Actually, I think it's 107.3 that I really like. I think.
And then to make that your favorite, you're going to press the little heart there.
Probably.
So to unfavorite it, you just press the heart again.
Oh, all right.
And since you don't want to pay for Sirius XM after the 3 months,
no, I don't.
Then it'll. So if you want to navigate, you hit the top little arrow thing here. So you're going to press the search on the maps, top left. And then you're going to type in the destination there that you want to go to.
All right.
And then go ahead to type the destination you want to go to.
Okay. Well, somehow the Emerson Road.
Oh, I thought it was, yeah. Go ahead and click it. And then go ahead and press the navigate button. Yep, go ahead and press the X, and that cancels the navigation. Correct, yep, go ahead and click that. Good, that'll get you back to your maps. Well, the other way to, here, we'll come back to turning that down, but so on the screen here, go ahead and press the button right there.
The microphone.
Yep.
Give me directions to go back to 38 College Green Drive.
Go ahead and turn off your heated seat. See if you're able to get that. So you hit like up here.
Oh, okay.
And now that's off. So for mine, if I hit it that way.
So I'm going to put...
If you want to turn the fan up or down or off, see if you can figure that out here.
Here?
Well, go ahead and press that. So that's where the air is coming from. Press it again. So it's showing it the chest and feet. The fan speed, you can press that up or down right here.
Here?
Yep, go ahead, press it, see what happens. And don't be afraid to just press buttons and see what happens. Good.
Okay.
Now turn the fan speed up.
Here.
Good. Okay.
So that looks like a flower.
It also gives you an off button or an auto where it decides what fan speed to go on its own to get to the desired temperature and other factors that it considers.
So you just push auto?
Go ahead and press one of those buttons there. Let's see what happens. Auto, it decided it's close to 70, so it would turn the fan down. Now let's say you want to turn...
You want me to turn it down?
I'm just saying that it did do it.
Oh.
Go ahead, press off. Okay, see how that just turned that off?
Mm-hmm.
Now go ahead and press auto again and just see. Yep.
Now if I want to go up a little bit,
Yep.
I just press this.
Yep.
Okay.
And let's say you wanted the air to come at your feet. How would you do that? What button would you press to
Well,
do
this
that?
one here,
Yep.
because it's
Go ahead
showing.
and press it. Yep, now it's going to your feet.
Good.
And you
I
can
like it there.
Toggle through different things there.
Yeah.
If you don't want air going to the back seat, you would press this, but don't worry about that too much. If you want to sync the, if I have like 73 and you have 70, you want to put them at the same, you could press sync there. This is your air conditioning right there.
That's right, I
Screen there.
forgot.
Yeah. The Echo Heat more efficiently heats up and cools the car, which means might take longer to do so, but it's going to save on your gas that you end up using.
Mm-hmm.
But you know, if you're not worried, if you want to heat the car as fast as possible or cool it, then you would make sure to have that off.
Okay, so it's to save.
Yep, this is your 4-way flashers.
Mm-hmm. So.
The radio, you can just push it on, and you just have your 2 stations that you toggle through,
Right, I remember that.
and then you can turn it back off there. Your cruise control, if you were to ever use that, on, and then set for cruise control, and it should
To set it,
show
like
up
to.
in the center.
how-
The dash up here has the temperature, so it's 54 degrees. It has your gas mileage, and you can toggle through the different things here. Turning off your car, go ahead and press the button to turn off your car. Good.
And then I do that.
The foot's on the brake first, yep. Yep, and they give you 10 years complimentary roadside assistance with their call center. So the buttons right here, by moving them,
Mm-hmm.
will kind of move the dash, and you can go up and down and left and right, and you have lots of good things there. I saw tire pressure was one of them.
Is that?
You press this top to get to your phone. Yep. Yeah, so somehow that got turned off. So let's say we need to go to it. We'd go to settings, and then
Manual setup?
or Bluetooth,
Oh.
and we would make sure that your phone is connected, because somehow it got
It
unconnected.
says it is.
We want to use it for Android Auto.
That's
though,
right.
So, you might run into the problem where it's not coming up with a symbol. If that's the case, you might need to find settings, Bluetooth, and use for Android Auto.